My name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and this video is brought to you by Roasty Coffee. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between a flat white and a latte. The differences between these can be kind of subtle. People sometimes aren't 100% sure what they are. So here's how we're going to answer that. We're going to start by talking about a flat white. A flat white was invented in Australia, and it's kind of mutated as it's traveled around the globe. But in most places in Australia, when you order a flat white, what you will get is a drink that is slightly smaller than a latte. Call it 5 to 8 ounces of espresso with steamed milk, but not as much foam as a latte. It's going to be about half the amount of foam as you would find on a latte. In a latte, it's going to be an 10 to 12 ounce beverage. Sometimes it's even a 16 ounce beverage. But the idea behind it is you're having about your 2 ounces of espresso, and then the rest of it is just steamed milk. So this will have more foam than a flat white typically. It's going to have a little bit more steamed milk, but it still has the same amount of espresso in it. So what I would recommend is ask your barista about it, figure out what you enjoy between the two, and see if you can find any answers in your local coffee shop as well and what they like.